In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save 2 hours a day with this Claude code trick. We're going to use Claude to quickly map your daily work, then turn that into practical automations you can use right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. This gives us a simple, familiar path to the right place without any guesswork. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press Enter. Look for the official Claude.ai domain in the results so you know you're in the right spot. Click through to the site, and you should land on a fresh chat page where you can start a new conversation. Now it's time for the core trick: crafting a single high-signal prompt that teaches Claude your workflow in minutes. In the message box, write a prompt like this. Let's say you want to save time by automating your daily workflow. Just tell me your main work focus, your repetitive tasks, your file chores, your data or document work, and the communication tasks you dislike, so I can design the right automation for you. This acts like a mini intake form. It tells Claude exactly what to collect from you, so it can return targeted scripts, templates, and instructions rather than generic advice. Be clear and specific. Details here directly translate into better, more usable outputs. Click Submit. Claude will respond with a few focused questions. This is where the time savings really begin, because your answers become the blueprint for tailored automations. Fill in the questions with concrete, real-world info. For example, you might say your main focus is content creation. You could add that you repeatedly rename and sort files every day, you work with CSV data often, you spend significant time organizing emails and sending similar replies, and the most robotic task you do is copying text snippets into multiple project documents throughout the day. The more precise you are about file names, folder structures, CSV columns, and the types of repeated email replies or document updates you handle, the more Claude can generate plug-and-play solutions. When you're happy with your answers, click Submit again. Claude will synthesize your inputs and propose an automation plan, often including code snippets, step-by-step instructions, and practical workflows to handle file renaming, CSV parsing, and summaries, canned but customizable email responses, and quick snippet insertion across documents. If anything looks off, ask for revisions or clarifications right in the same chat to tighten the results to your exact needs. That's it. With one well-designed prompt and a clear set of answers, you'll have a personalized automation kit that can easily reclaim up to 2 hours a day.